This is something that I've done in the past, something that I normally do daily, weekly, every couple days, just because eBay really does like that traffic. What's up, guys? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. Today's video, I am sharing with you one simple eBay hack that has me up 300% in sales yesterday alone. Let's jump right into it. If you have an eBay store, you can go to this tab, Performance, and then I'm under Traffic. I will link eBay tutorials up here. I have more tutorials on how to really use this traffic report, but I'm going to scroll down here, scroll down a little bit, and you can see my page views. So this is how many times people are viewing my page. And look at what happened here, guys. This is ridiculous. So I will say some of this is that black is going to be external site views. And I think what happened here is I was mentioned on another YouTuber's channel yesterday. And so I think a lot of people were going to my site and creeping on my eBay page. I wish eBay told me how many of those converted to sales. So eBay, if you're watching this, that would be a great conversion to know. However, even if you take that out, that blue bar, so the blue bar over here, this is for yesterday. Let me scroll up so we can see that. That blue bar is my organic page views. They were up 261% yesterday. You can see my external site views are up 1,000%, which is just ridiculous. My promoted was down to 16%, which I'm not too concerned about. It's promoted, I'm paying to promote. I would rather make sales based off of organic sales because I don't have to pay that extra promoted fee. So yes, page views are up. That's amazing. But did those actually convert to sales? Over here, this stat is telling me I am down 8% for this entire period based off of the previous period. But if you scroll over to yesterday alone, I am actually up 300%. I've sold 300% more yesterday than I did the previous time period. So what exactly did I do to give me these outrageous stats? I went in, if you follow my channel, I have kind of been taking a break this summer, doing the bare minimum that you have to do. Yesterday, my kids go back to school next week. So yesterday I was kind of feeling like a hoarder and like I have a lot of inventory, and I was like, I'm going to go and discount a lot of my inventory that I've had for a really long time. I would prefer to discount it, make sales on eBay still and get traffic than donate it or sell it to like a buy sell trade or send it to ThreadUp. I'd rather get the traffic on eBay. So what I went through and did yesterday, and this is one of the reasons I love eBay, I'm on my seller hub again, I'm on my listings, I'm on my active listings, and I scrolled down here and I sorted based off of my custom label. For me, my custom label is sequential in order of how old it is. You know, I started with 1 and now I'm up to like 4,000 or something ridiculous. But so I can sort by custom label and know all of these older items are by the custom label. If you don't do a SKU like that, you can also come over to your start date. As long as you don't sell similar or end things, your start date will show you in the order that it was listed, and you can go in and bulk edit. I will link a video up here for bulk edit. That's not the purpose of this video, but I will link a video up there to see how you can bulk edit. I edited probably 120 listings yesterday and eBay liked it. If you guys liked this video and this tip, YouTube thinks you'd also like this video, I'll link some more eBay tutorials and tips here. And if you guys want to learn how to make money reselling, make sure to hit that subscribe button.